Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to do the unboxing for the Onvis smart plug. So it comes in this box and it actually supports Apple Home, Alexa, SmartThings and Google Home. So in terms of the power, the max output could be 4000 watts. And we have got the dimensions basically here. So 105 gram, pretty small and quite sleek design. It can also support 16 amps, so it's pretty powerful. Obviously depends to the electricity plug that we have at home. So the maximum power of those plugs is around 4000 watts, 3500 to 4000. So this actually has mesh network, schedule, voice control. Pretty cool actually. And yeah, this is their own, I think, brand as far as I know. And we can open it up. Let's check it out, what we have in here. There we go. Pretty tough done. And that's how it looks like. Pretty sleek, I would say. Nice design in here. So this is the power button. This is actually the QR code for the app. And it comes in this really nice case. And there's the protective layer for the plug itself. And pretty cool actually, really sleek design, really nice. Well, I hope you like it. If so, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on daily basis. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.